is a Aussie salmon. You can tell by the grey pigment, and he's got his yellow spots, so he's probably a teenager. The younger ones have light yellow spots on them. So once we catch a fish out of the ocean, first thing we need to do is bleed him. So we cut his throat just in between the gills and the front fins. We do this, I'm just talking and doing it at the same time. We do this so that we get white flesh on the fish. If we don't bleed them, they actually get a brown pigment through the flesh of the fish. But yeah, and it also helps the fish actually pass away nice and quickly as well.